Hi, in our video this time, we want to talk about plastic coating from Dr.Chemist. Plastic coating can restore plastic parts on vehicles to become darker and shinier. It has a protective layer that prevents the plastic part from aging. It has a long-lasting effects that can last up to 12 months depending on the vehicle usage. It is suitable for plastic parts on car and motorcycle such as car skirting, bumper, motorcycle front cover, side cover and many more. Let's see how to use. First step, wash plastic surface until clean. Second step, dry the surface using a clean and dry towel. Third step, open the plastic coating's bottle cap. Fourth step, pour some plastic coating on the sponge provided. Fifth step, apply on the plastic surface evenly. Sixth step, leave to dry for a few minutes. Lastly, let's see how to store plastic coating after use. First step, cover the bottle with both bottle caps. Second step, wash the sponge used until clean. Third step, place plastic coating and the sponge back into the box provided. Fourth step, store the plastic coating box at a suitable place. And that's all you need to do. It's easy, right?